physical science class for class 9. Today's chapter is atomic structure, subtopic Rutherford atomic model. Before we go to the atomic model, we should know what is an atom. The smallest part of substance or element called atom. The existence of atom or existence of smallest unit of matter was first proposed by Maharshi Kanad in India. According to his idea, matter consists of smallest individual and indestructible particle called paramanus, which is called atoms. These atoms have two parts: fundamental particles and temporary particles. Fundamental particles are three types: electron, proton, and neutron, whereas temporary particles of atoms are more than 65. Out of 65, I have written just 4 or 5: positron, meson, neutrino, antineutrino, alpha particle, beta particle, so on. Now we go to the discussion on electron. Electrons are subatomic particles having a mass equal to 1 by 1837th of hydrogen atom, or 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Electron carries unit negative charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, whereas protons carries a positive charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, and its mass is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Lord Rutherford in 1911 performed his famous gold foil experiment and proved the existence of nucleus within an atom. On the basis of experiment, Rutherford put forward his atomic model, which is known as Rutherford atomic model. In Rutherford atomic model, first point is that most of the space occupied by an atom is empty, known as extranuclear space. Most of the part is empty between electron and nucleus. This region is called extranuclear space. Second point, the whole mass of the atom is located within a small space called nucleus. Total mass is inside the nucleus. The third point said the size of the nucleus is very small as compared to the size of the atoms. Look here, size of nucleus is small rather than compared to the size of the whole atoms. Fourth point states that atom being electrically neutral, total positive charge within the nucleus is balanced by negative charge of the electron. The electron revolves around the nucleus in circular path called orbit. It is the fifth part of the atomic model. Fifth part of the atomic model state that, fifth point, the electron revolve around the nucleus in circular path called orbit. This electron moving around this circular path, look, electron moving around this circular path, this path is known as orbit. Next we come to the sixth point. Electrons are attracted toward the nucleus by electrostatic force between negatively charged electron and positively charged proton. This is called centripetal force. Look over the picture. This electron is attracted by nucleus. This force is called centripetal force. This force along this direction, this is written centripetal force. And electron revolve in the circular motion. A balance force, centrifugal force, is appeared over here. 7th point. Due to circular motion of the electron, a centrifugal force is acquired by the electron. So, centripetal force is equal to centrifugal force. Centripetal force is balanced by centrifugal force. That's why electron not fall over the nucleus. Electrons and a nucleus are far apart from each other. Thank you very much.